what do you see as the biggest challenges in adopting the data fabric itself? Now, the benefits are well understood, but it's easier said than done, as we all know. So what are, from your perspective, the biggest challenges in adopting the fabric? And as Noel, you take it along, I'll encourage the audience to also vote on the second poll.
Yeah, you know, I mean, the challenges are there, right? It's one of the big issues, I think, is if it's bad data, the sources are bad, having bad data, your fabric is going to pick up bad data and deliver bad data. It's basically garbage in, garbage out, right? So the GIGO kind of thing goes in place with fabric. Fabric, you know, the real-time data quality is a very difficult thing to do. We are still kind of evolving our architectures around real-time data quality. But if data is bad, how do you actually do a better level of ensuring the data is going to be trusted and consistent as well, right? Because you're dealing with real-time data, right? And that's why the bigger issue is data quality, right? Number two, I think, is data governance, right? How do you ensure that the data which you are getting from these source systems are not containing sensitive data? It could be compliance data, right? GDPR data or private data, you know, credit card data, what have you, right? So you got to be careful. So how do you govern control? Because the fabric itself has got all these different connections to different sources, perfectly fine. But the question is that source may be having all sensitive data as well, right? So how do you govern this data in real time? New sources may be connected today. Today, somebody may be connecting to a new source of data, but has somebody explored the data? Has somebody ensured that data is not sensitive? And if it is sensitive, who gets to see what data, right? So governance plays a big role. Also, we see challenges with data, with performance and scale, right? Because we are talking about multiple workloads running, like running applications and insights and analytics. There could be an impact on performance and scale, right? Because now everyone's trying to hit at that fabric layer, which is a semantic layer. What happens to the performance and low latency accesses, right? So people, when we speak to customers in the banks and the insurance companies, they run into all kinds of performance issues, right? So you obviously have to have ample hardware, ample memory architectures like DRAM and flash within the whole architecture as well. And I think the whole idea is actually how do you ensure of these consistency as well. There's also a challenge. A lot of solutions out there in the fabric world are all these disconnected products. So the problem is that solutions which are in their fabric are not connected very well. So as I mentioned, the fabric is a composure of multiple data management functions like data ingestion and transformation and governance and security and preparation quality. And how do you actually have all those functions together in a platform which is very well integrated? So you'll find solutions out there which may not have those connections of all these established very well. So definitely look for solutions that are very well integrated, all of these data management functions together and harmonized it together, right? So those are things. So these are, I think, the 3 or 4 challenges we have seen from performance and scale to integrated solution requirements towards governance and data quality being some of those important ones, you know.